Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of January, 2022. I'm going to talk about GameStop today. I want us to make a determination if the price is a buy right here, because if so, then that means that we're expecting the price to go up. You guys can already see on my price chart that I did a price prediction recently and I was expecting the price to go down, and that is what happened. So we shouldn't be surprised. If you guys are a subscriber of mine on this channel, we shouldn't be surprised that this price in GameStop have been coming down. So now let's talk about this. I mean, if we're still looking for the price to continue to go down, then yeah, today is not the time to come in and buy the market in GameStop. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. I don't talk about any fundamental analysis because it's useless. It doesn't give you a idea as to what these shares are worth, because ultimately people determine what they're willing to buy and sell these instruments for. That's the only thing that matters, is what the overall market is doing with their positions. So once you pay attention to that and erase everything else about the market that many people have led you into thinking that you need to know, you actually would become out better. So check this out. You guys want to get the latest information of my price predictions, my price targets, come here to my channel, click on this playlist tab, and you guys will see every price prediction that I've done for every particular type of stock. It's all here, fully transparent, showing you every prediction that I've done. It's right here. So in order to get the latest one, come to my channel, hit this playlist tab and scroll down and find the stock. All right, so now back to GameStop. So I did a video on the 4th of January right here, okay, telling you all then, hey, the price in GameStop is going to go down. I was trying to give everyone a heads up to be prepared for this weakness to occur into the market in GameStop. I already know you die-hard GameStop fanatics out here, you're going to buy this dip. I already know it. I mean, it sounds like a broken record. How many times do you see tweets and videos of people telling you that they bought the dip? I get it. But in certain situations, you might be just buying a dead horse, right? Because price is going to continue to go down, right? This is what I'm doing this video for. I want us to see if the price is going to continue to go down. So check this out. Pretty good call on the last video. That's around what? 34.5% profitability into the market in GameStop right there. So now, look at where the price is. We're trading around $100 right now. Okay. I had my restriction area all the way up there around 250, and that was not long ago, November of last year. Price is now around 100. Yeah, that's how much value has been evaporated from GameStop. 59, almost 60% gone, just like that. So let me get rid of this line up here because I want to make sure that my charts stay clean. Question: are we in a trend? Are we not? Let's try to figure it out real quick. So you can see right here that this was one trend in GameStop, right? Let me zoom in a little bit closer. You guys can see that this is where the overall trend in GameStop started. Okay, that was one. Let's see if we can find another one, because that one is broken. That trend in GameStop is broken. See that? And we broke it back in November timeframe, December timeframe. This is the first indication to tell you that the overall trend in GameStop is now broken. So what we saw into the market in GameStop was, yes, we broke this trend, and then we expected the market to hold some support around 175. We broke that, came down to 150. We still saw the weakness. Price came down, looking for the buyers to come in around 120. We still broke that. You guys can see the trend. I mean, I'm not here to show you what's not going on. The market is telling us, it's giving us the answers that we want. Well, we probably don't want to see it or even hear about it, but it's giving us the answers. Whether we like it or not, is being seen. The price is going down. We're breaking very crucial areas of support, which is not good for us to see price go up. We want to see prices hold support. And the last biggest areas were right there around 120. And the market still couldn't do it. Now, let's see this. We still broke the trend. This trend that started all the way back here. See that? The price still broke it recently in GameStop. So we know what the overall market sentiment is in GameStop. It is weak. And we're going to maintain that weakness until price in GameStop comes back up and breaks above like 120, 125. Yes, I mean, it is what it is. We want to see the buyers show up, and when they don't show up, we continue to follow the market. So this is the crossroads right here for us to understand the switch has occurred from price going down to us going up, right? Now, we need to determine another area of support then. If we're looking for price in GameStop to continue to go down, we need to figure out another area, because we are not in an upward trend anymore. That trend is now broken. So we have to identify support, and the next level is going to be right there. I'll say around $81, $80 to $81. Market yesterday came down there as a low of $86.29. Then my next target, if it's not $80, it's going to be, let me zoom in a little bit closer on this chart. It's going to be around $55. Okay, let me see. So we got 80 first. Okay, so we got $80 first. Second area is going to be 60 for us to see support coming to the market in GameStop. So $80 and 60 is what the new support areas are going to be in GameStop. All right. So now let me hit this back over to the 3 weeks. I want to see the long-term basis into the market in GameStop. And you guys can pretty much see it. I mean, it's weak. Look at this from the monthly. Do you think the market in GameStop could come all the way down to this area here? Yeah, it can. I mean, considering how weak this overall trend into the market in GameStop is reflecting, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market come all the way down, like I said, $50. That's going to be the next area for us to bounce into the market in GameStop. So let me do this. I got my 2 price targets, right? And we're going to expect the price in GameStop to come down. First area is 80. Okay, that's around 19%. And second area was 60. Third area is 50. Okay. So check this out. This is it. Still planning weaknesses to the market in GameStop. And the 3 price targets will be $80, $60, and then $50. All right. Now, in any one of those 3 price targets, if we see buyers step in, that's where we need to cut the play. If we don't see buyers come in at $80, then we know that the next level is going to be 60. If we don't see buyers come in at $60, then we now know that the next price level is going to be 50. This is how you're able to play the market without getting burned. It's because you can see where the market is actually trying to turn. The buyers will let us know where they're coming in at. They would definitely let us know once they find the price attractive. We don't have to worry about that. They'll tell us because the volume would definitely show up. Pretty much like we did in the squeeze back there in the beginning of the year. So We're going to play this weakness here into the market in GameStop. Definitely, if we don't see price break 120, 125, this price prediction that is on my chart is going to continue to go on. Now, you might be a believer, you might not. That's okay, because the market doesn't care about how we feel. It's going to move regardless. So whether you accept it or not, you can still come up with your own basis in your price prediction. So I got the comment section open. Yeah, you could drop me your price target, your price prediction right now. Put it out in the public. If you don't agree with what I'm showing you on the chart, then tell everyone else what is your premise. Yeah, what is your prediction then? Hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.